Hey, what's up everybody here? I've been gonna do this quick video. A lot of people been asking me which CPA networks they should join. Max Bounty, Purefly, Never Blue. There's a lot of CPA networks online. Usually I go with these ones. They're more private networks. CPA marketing. Affiliate X, this one. Nexus offers, it's awesome. They pay. Cash Network. They're more private label. Private label like CPA, like Purefly and Never Blue. I had a lot of issues like Max Bounty. They canceled my account. Why? Because I was promoting on CL Craigslist. So they found out that I was promoting. I don't know how the fuck they find out. Somebody must snitch on me. Or the affiliate manager was saying that I was making a lot of money, and they got into me. Doing investigation. How come I'm doing a lot of money? A lot of money. A lot of money, like without. They know what's up. They know what's up. I'm not gonna give you a lot of details about that, but they know what's up. They shave you a lot too. If you don't know what shave, they don't pay you sometimes. The conversions, leads. So, but you should just go right now with this ones. Cash Network, Nexus, EPC Boss, awesome too. I've been with them for a long time. They pay you every weekly. Some of them pay you like this one, like weekly, like 2 weeks, I think. Cash Network is the same. Affiliate X, it's been a long time since I've been marketing on Affiliate X, but they pay you like 2 weeks too. So if you want to learn content locking networks, people have been asking, hey, which ones are the networks to join on CPA content locking? Just go to offer up. And just type right here CPA and do your research. CPA networks. I can type it right now. It's Sunday. I'm a little bit tired. I already ate. CPA networks. Just type right here. CPA networks. Content locking. Just put content locking. Do your research. I usually go with what's the ones that are killing CPA grip.com. I can't type right now. Sorry. CPA grip. What's the other one? OG ads. I'm killing an OG. OG ads. These are very easy to join. They don't ask you a lot of questions. They just might ask you about traffic. What do you know about traffic and all that. But they don't ask you a lot of questions like Max Bounty, Cash Network, all like these ones are private level. So they don't ask you a lot of questions on these ones. This one, where is it? This one, they don't ask you a lot of questions. These ones, they don't ask you a lot of questions. Cash Network, you need what's it called? You need my password, ID password. So you'll be they will approve you more faster. If you don't know my affiliate ID password, no, my affiliate number, they're not gonna approve you. So you're gonna need that. So you'll get approved fast. Nexus is awesome too. They pay you. It's freaking awesome. I like this CPA network. It's freaking awesome. They pay you very fast. It's freaking awesome. I don't know. It's one that nobody knows. A lot of CPA people affiliate. They don't know about this website, so they keep it's very private. This website, they pay you, and they got a lot of good offers. They pay you like $2, $3, $4, $5 per commission, per conversion. Sorry, and freaking awesome. I like this. I never thought I was gonna get paid with this company, but fucking awesome. So if you wanna go with CPA content locking, go with this one, CPA Grip, and the other one is CPA Lead. I don't really promote it right there a lot. Or share cash. You should go with CPA Grip and OGX. Yeah, this one. This content locking. This one CPA Leads, the same. So yeah, just do your research right here. Where is offer bar? Where is it? Right here. Gambling. Okay. Just type CPA marketing or content locking. And they'll give you all the networks right here, so you can apply. Like my lead is awesome. I think I have this one too. Oh, for dating sites. Oh, that's freaking awesome. If you're single, kill it on this. CPA dating sites is freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. I was gonna do it, but in Christian, there's gonna be a lot of the lead. They pay you $40 per lead just for create a free account. It's a little bit X-rated. That's why I don't promote it. They pay you like, you can tell right here, CPL is pay per lead. They pay you this just per lead. It's something more advanced. It's not that more advanced, but since I'm a Christian, I don't have time to promote. I can kill it. I know how to kill it on this. Just go to right here on Traffic Factory. A lot of people are into the porno business. You just go right here. You gotta create an account. You gotta at least deposit $500, so you can start advertising. It's all about all these people are looking. I'm not gonna go over that, so it's very if you wanna go search, do your research, do it yourself. But you can make a lot of money on dating sites or porno sites. So a lot of people always searching online about this. It's content locking too, but it's way different. I do it a different way. So I'm not gonna. I know about this, but I'm not gonna. I've been seeing a lot of courses online, so I get nervous. I'm talking about this. So yeah, people, just do your own research right here. Right here, just type CPA content locking on this site, offer bar right here. PayPerCall, if you want to insert in PayPerCall, they have a lot of networks. A lot of people been telling me that they don't get approved. You should like go with ring partner. CJ is Commission Junction. Killing it on, what's it, the other one? The rehab. addiction recovery program or something like that. So, just type right here on PayPerCall. And a lot of networks will come out like this one. I think I'm involved in this one. And there's a lot right here. So you can pick. Don't get discouraged if you don't get approved one. Go with the next one and you will get approved. And these people are looking, sometimes they're in a bad mood, the affiliate marketers, the affiliate managers. So they won't approve you. They want to talk to you first. But to me, it's like, I get approved very fast. I don't know why people are struggling sometimes to get approved. But it's all about the affiliate manager. These networks, they don't ask you a lot of questions like max bounty. They want to call you on the phone, and Skype, and everything. They just send you emails. It's all about, they send you all the messages by email, and they will give you approved. It's all about the, like I told you, affiliate manager. But there's a lot. Don't get discouraged if you don't get approved. There's a lot. On my training course, I have a lot. I have like 20 that you could get approved very fast. That's why a lot of people are afraid. If they don't get approved, they think it's like max bounty, pure flying. They don't get approved. They track your IP and this is a lot. There's a lot of people. Don't get discouraged. You're gonna make money on autopilot. You don't have to recruit. It's all about making money on autopilot right now. Just advertise with my ninja strategies that I've been showing online for free. Just take action, people. But yeah, one of my students asked me about this. He didn't get approved. He was disappointed in this. There's a lot of ways to. There's a lot of CPA networks and everything, PayPerCall networks. So just do your own research right here. And that's it. I can leave you with that. And thanks for watching this quick video.